welcome back to our channel. So as you all know, in this video I'm going to show you this amazing automation using which you can automate your Google Sheets data entry without wasting your time. So now here I'm going to take an example of Google Ads, but you can connect your any lead generation application or your forms to make a data entry of the same in your Google Sheets. So now here to build this connection, we are going to connect our applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. And for that, we're going to click on this create workflow button. Then here is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my flow that says automate Google Sheets data entry in seconds. And then here for selecting the folder, I'm going to select the folder that I've already created with the name Google Sheets. You can create your own folder to save your workflows accordingly. And now here after giving the name and selecting the folder, we are going to create a flow by clicking on this create button given over here. And now here in the workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So we're going to click on this add trigger button, and here as you all know that we are receiving new leads through Google Ads. So I'm taking an example of Google Ads over here, and then we're going to select the app event as new lead form entry. Then we're going to click on this connect, and here you can see we have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Google Ads account. So this is my Google Ads account. Here I've drafted a test campaign under which we are going to create a test lead form to set up this automation for now. If you're running a live lead form, then you can simply set up the webhook inside that form as well. Alright, so here to create the test lead form, I have given a name to my business. Then I have selected some mandatory fields such as name, and for the name we have selected first name and the last name separately. Then we have added the email, phone number, city, postal code and the company name. And now here on the right side you can see the preview of the form that we have created by selecting our required fields. Now here after scrolling little down, you can see the option of lead delivery over here. So we're going to select it, and under this you can see a webhook integration option. So as you all know that we have received a webhook URL, and using that webhook URL, we are going to connect our Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So for the webhook URL, I'm going to add the URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the key, I'm going to give the name as test. And now here after adding the webhook URL and the key, we are going to click on the send test data button given over here. So by clicking on this button, we are going to receive some dummy lead details as per the field selected by us in this form. So we're going to click on the send test data, and you can see it says test data sent. That means we have successfully sent the dummy lead details to this webhook URL, that means on our Pabbly's workflow. So now we're going to use these details to set up this automation further. So let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received the company name value as company name. Here you can see a random postal code, random city name, random phone number, random email address, last name value as last name, and first name value as first name only. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically and instantly, I want to add that lead detail in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that, what we are going to do is that we are going to add action step over here, and here we are going to select our action application as Google Sheets. Then we are going to select the app event as add a new row, and then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, we are going to select add a new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, we are going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then we are going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Then here after building this connection, let's move forward. It is asking me to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name Google Ads. So I'm going to select my spreadsheet as Google Ads and my sheet as Sheet 1. Then here is asking me to add the first name, last name, email and some other details. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous steps. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the first name, we are going to map our lead's first name only. Then here for the last name, we are going to map the last name. Here we are going to map the email address. Here we are going to map the company name of our lead. Here we are going to map the phone number. Then here we are going to map the city. And lastly here we are going to map the zip code. And now after entering all the required details, we are going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new lead detail in our Google Sheets as a new row. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have instantly received a new response where we have received the first name, last name, email, company name and some other details. Alright, so this was a very simple automation that you can set for your own business to add your lead details, customer order details or any other information in your Google Sheets automatically and instantly without any manual effort. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.